Today I will make mlogo using Adobe Illustrator. And first you can get text tool and type text and add the prompt here. Then get ellipse tool and make an ellipse. Click the ellipse and get a copy and paste in front. Now pressing Alt and Shift, resize the inside. Now select and get pathfinder tool and divide and ungroup. Now select and delete this part and this part. Now adjust this shape. Now select, go to Object, Pathfinder, Path and Offset Path and OK. Now select all, get pathfinder tool and divide and right click and undo. Now select and delete this one. Now select all, get pathfinder tool and unit. Now add the text. Now select ungroup and change the colors. Now select text, go to object and expand. Now select this part and change the color. Now get line segment tool and make a line. And add the stroke and increase the stroke size. Now select the line and go to object and expand. Change the color. Save, go to file and export Explorer screen. Now open the Photoshop mockup. You can download this freepik.com. If you can't find this mockup, comment the below and I will share the link. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment below. See you next video.